How does neuroscience of belief impact philosophy? Imagine your brain as a busy city with countless roads connecting different neighborhoods. Every thought, emotion, and belief travels along these neural pathways. Now, what if we told you that understanding how these pathways work can change how we see philosophy itself? Neuroscience of belief studies how beliefs come from brain activity, showing they are not just abstract ideas but real products of neural processes involving perception, memory, emotion, and prediction. This scientific view challenges old philosophical ideas that beliefs are purely mental or metaphysical. Instead, it grounds them in physical brain functions, making philosophy more connected to science. At its core, neuroscience reveals that beliefs from when the brain interprets sensory information and combines it with emotional feelings and memories. These beliefs often influence our actions before we even realize it. So, belief is less about rational thinking and more about how our brain processes information automatically. This insight impacts how philosophers think about the mind and consciousness. It suggests that mental states like beliefs are directly linked to brain activity, shifting philosophy toward an evidence-based approach. In the realm of epistemology, which is the study of knowledge, understanding the neural basis of belief helps explain how we acquire and hold onto what we consider true. It shows that beliefs are probabilistic, meaning they are based on likelihoods and influenced by cognitive biases. This can explain why people sometimes cling to false beliefs even when presented with evidence. It also raises questions about how justified our beliefs really are and whether certainty is possible. When it comes to free will and moral responsibility, neuroscience shows that many decisions and beliefs happen unconsciously before we are aware of them. This challenges the idea that we are fully in control of our choices and actions. If our brain is shaping beliefs without conscious input, what does that mean for personal responsibility? Philosophers are now rethinking how free will fits into this picture. Neuroscience also impacts ethics and moral philosophy. It shows that moral beliefs involve complex brain networks linked to emotion, social understanding, and cognition. This suggests that morality isn't just about rational rules but also deeply rooted in biological processes. For atheists and secular thinkers, these findings support a naturalistic view of human morality. They argue that our sense of right and wrong evolved through biology and environment, not from supernatural sources. Knowing how beliefs are formed in the brain helps us develop better ways to address irrational or harmful beliefs. It encourages us to look at the neural and cognitive roots of belief, rather than just dismissing ideas as irrational. This knowledge fosters a dialogue between philosophy and neuroscience, creating a richer understanding of how the mind works and how we can think more critically about our beliefs. So, the neuroscience of belief doesn't just tell us about the brain. It reshapes how philosophy approaches questions about mind, knowledge, and morality.